Hey Paul Mitchell friends, it's Megan here, and today I'm going to show you how I achieve these easy goddess braids on my relaxed hair. So let's get started. You want to start out with wash and condition hair. I let my hair air dry to damp for this style, and I'm going to do a side part in the front because I want my parting to sit kind of deep, but make sure it's centered in the back. So in my sections, I'm going to apply our Paul Mitchell the conditioner, which is a leave-in conditioner, starting from my ends and working my way up to the roots. Next, I'm going to apply our Soft Style Soft Spray, which is a finishing hairspray that offers a natural looking hold with a soft, touchable finish that easily allows me to comb through my hair. So I'm going to make sure my hair is tangle free and brush my edges to smooth out the look a bit. And I'm going to make sure that my braids are nice and loose because you don't want them too tight for this protective style. And I'm going to go ahead and apply the conditioner and our Soft Style Soft Spray. Apply that from ends all the way to roots. Make sure I have everything nice and smooth. Braid my hair down in a nice, gentle, loose braid. And this is one of my favorite protective styles, especially for the fall and winter. So when we get to our ends, we're going to tuck the ends under each braid for this protective style. That's what makes this a protective style, because our hair is all tucked away from the cold air. This is the final look, you all. This protective style is perfect for fall or any season you choose. Let us know what style you want to see next, and stick around and watch more of our YouTube videos on our channel.